As a formative admin, the first step is logging in with the method your organization uses. Go to formative.com and click Sign In. From there, sign in with Google, Clever, Microsoft, Newsela SSO, or email and password. You will work with your formative team to choose the rostering setup that matches your school and district. For school and district licensed organizations, Formative supports several rostering options, including OneRoster, ClassLink, Clever, PowerSchoolSys, and more. These options help automatically create and update teacher and student accounts and place users in the correct classes. Some rostering methods, like OneRoster, allow admins to securely enter credentials in the formative platform, then initiate a sync, review incoming data, and update credentials as needed. Other methods, like ClassLink or Clever, begin in the external platform and may require you to notify your formative team once complete. If you're unsure which option to choose, start by confirming which rostering method your organization supports. Then follow the corresponding setup guide in the Formative Help Center. Once your rostering path is selected, you're ready to move forward with setup.